Freelancing has given me the greatest gift I think any mother could ever ask for, and that's more time with my daughter.
Being a mom to me means being the heartbeat of my home. It's about more than just caring for my daughter. It's about nurturing a little life in someone who feels loved, valued, and understood.
Being a mom is not easy by any means, but it really is the most rewarding. When I started freelancing, I have been able to be with my kids every single day and night, see every single milestone. It has truly been the most rewarding job I've ever had.
Freelancing makes it so much easier for me to be the mom that my kids deserve. They taught me what true, untainted love really is. So I may kiss their boo-boos, but they heal me with their joy.
My daughter is the reason I get out of bed some days. My whole adult life, I was told I most likely would never have my own children. So when I found out I was pregnant with my daughter, I wanted to be able to spend as much time with her as I could. When you become a parent, it just feels like time is on warp speed and there's never enough of it. Before I had my daughter, I used to focus every day on just the big responsibilities we have as adults, like paying our bills on time or doing well at work. She has just opened my eyes to everything beautiful and interesting and wondrous in the world that I never saw before.
Being a mom means setting aside your personal struggles for a while, being selfless, and being there to give love unconditionally.
So from one mom to another.
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 From one mom to another. From one mom to another. Happy Mother's Day.